Here's Bodie, 5.5 months old. He's trying to get ready to crawl. Look, Bodie! He was doing it just a moment ago, but oh, there he goes. Do it, Bodester. Oh, he's doing a weird, you're doing it. Look, isn't that ball? You're doing it, Bodester. Bodie, you're doing it. He gets up on his knees. Oh, you're doing it. Keep going. He's almost got it. He gets confused. Do it, Bodester. He's getting upset. Bodie, look. You're doing it.
I want to tape him. I want to tape him.
Okay, Micah's taping him now. Make sure you can see him on the screen. That means you're taping him.
Bodester.
Micah's taping him now.
Almost called it wrong. Yeah, this is our Arnie. This is Daddy.
Hi. Get Mommy.
This is Mommy.
Okay, should I save it? We can only do one more minute or it'll run out of time.
And this is Bigfoot, and there is my motorcycle gang friend, and that's all of them.
Okay, now we'll save it.